Hello beautiful people, how are y'all doing? Welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. Yes, in today's video I'm bringing you one of Jamaican, well, goody dish. Yes, I'm gonna show you how to prepare saltfish and okra, and here are a listing of my ingredients. So here you go. This is a saltfish, fresh okras, my bell peppers, green, red and yellow, they were frozen. Black pepper, this is optional, it's up to you if you choose to use black pepper in your saltfish and okra. Also I have my coconut oil. Yes, I have 1 onion, garlic and thyme. So guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and put this saltfish to boil because it is salty, very salty, and I want to get the excessive salt from this saltfish. So the next time you see me guys, we'll be frying this baby up, okay? So stay tuned. Love you guys. So guys, off camera I went ahead and after the saltfish, you know, was cooked, I scraped off, you know, the scale, clean it up, you know, with nice fresh clean water. And here it is, broken up in pieces. And over here I have my onion, garlic, thyme and also the bell peppers and the beautiful okras. Yes, I went ahead and cleaned as well and cut the okras in half. If you choose to, you know, have your okras whole, it's not a big deal. So let's go straight over to the stove to get this saltfish and okra together. All right, yes guys. So guys, on the stove here I have a pot with the coconut oil. You know, it's already heated, and at this point I'm gonna add my seasonings. That's my natural seasonings, okay? So guys, I'm gonna let this saute a bit, okay? And then I'll be adding the saltfish. Guys, I'm so sorry, I had forgotten to display tomatoes. Yes, I'm adding some tomatoes to my saute as well. I love tomatoes in my fried up okra and saltfish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add it. It's not too late, okay? And I'm just gonna blend that in. Smells so good already guys, so delicious. So guys, at this point I am gonna add the saltfish to my saute so that, you know, the saltfish can get that nice, you know, flavor from my fried up seasonings. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my god, the smell is, I can't even describe how sweet. It smells so good. The fragrance is great. So I'm gonna let this fry up. Yes guys, so guys, saltfish is now fried up. It's time to add the okras. Yummy okras. I love okras. Yep, look at that guys, isn't that beautiful? It's really tasty. You can have this with a nice white rice or, you know, your dumpling and banana, you know. And then it's time to add a little black pepper. Okay, so I'm not gonna, just a little bit, that's all. I don't want a lot of black pepper in it. Give it a nice little stir, guys. And how I like my okras, I don't want my okras to be softened. You know, I want a little crunch in the okra, because you don't want to cook out all the vitamins, you know, from the okra. So guys, at this point I'm gonna go ahead and tip, you know, a little boiled hot water in, just to make gravy, not a lot. So that is perfect. And then I'm gonna add just a little ketchup. Okay, so I'm choosing to add this ketchup. You can go ahead and add your ketchup. I'm just gonna add a small amount. I don't want a lot in it. And now I'm gonna stir. You know what to do, guys. Meet me at presentation. Thank you so much. And guys, here you have it, fried up saltfish and okra with 3 boiled dumplings and soft white yams. Okay, this is how we'll have it in the Caribbean, or you can go ahead and have it with white rice, or whichever way you choose. It's still delicious.